Hi everyone, I'm Bob Grip. Welcome to the 13th match of the 2018 HiQ season, sponsored by New Horizons Credit Union. Today's match features students from Bryant, Rain, and the home team, McGill-Toolen Catholic. The questions you're going to hear this morning are prepared in 16 categories by educators throughout the country who are all experts in their fields. They try to make the questions equally challenging. Here is how the points are awarded. In a regular category, each team will receive its own question in that area. The teams will then have 15 seconds and 4 opportunities to answer. A correct answer on the first try is worth 4 points. Each time an incorrect answer is given, it's worth 1 less point. And if a team misses it entirely, either of the other 2 teams up here can gain 1 point with a correct answer, and I'll explain some of the other scoring as we go on. Now we'll start our series of questions. We always start with the home team in position number 1. We continue that left to right rotation for most of the match. We always start with current events, get everybody warmed up. So teams, good luck. Here's your question, McGill. A film directed by Clint Eastwood stars 3 young men, not actors, who actually foiled an attempted attack on a train from Amsterdam to Paris. What is the name of the film?
The 1517 to Paris.
That's correct. 4 points. BC Rain. A Powerball winner has sued her state to keep her name secret after winning $560 million. What state is she suing?
New Jersey.
Try again.
New Hampshire.
Yes, 3 points. Bryant, your question. A federal judge in Brooklyn, New York has ruled that the jury chosen to determine the fate of this infamous Mexican drug lord will receive special protection to protect them during the trial. Give me the name of this Mexican drug lord.
El Chapo.
El Chapo, yes. Joaquin Guzman. McGill, your question now in American history. Give the term used to describe a movement made up mostly of white, middle-class college youth who had grown disillusioned with the war in Vietnam and injustices in America during the 1960s.
The New Left Movement?
Try again.
The
Counterculture?
Yes, 3 points. Right, counterculture. BC Rain. In 1883, an all-white Supreme Court declared this act unconstitutional. It stated that, quote, all persons shall be entitled to the full and equal enjoyment of the accommodations of inns, public conveyances on land or water, theaters, and other places of public amusement. Give the name of this 1875 act.
Civil Rights Act.
That's right, 4 points. And Bryant, give me the last name of the president who on September 8th, 1974, pardoned Richard Nixon in an attempt to move the country beyond Watergate. The move cost him a good deal of public support.
Gerald Ford.
That's right, Gerald Ford. McGill, your question is in biology. Identify the protein that, along with actin, makes the many contractible protein fibers found in muscle cells.
Myostatin?
Try again. Bryant?
Myosin?
Yes, myosin is right. BC Rain. Identify the ring of circular smooth muscle that allows the passage of digested food and gastric juice from the stomach to enter the small intestine.
Large intestine.
Try again. Bryant.
Duodenum?
No. McGill. No, it's the pyloric sphincter. No points. Bryant, name the type of antibodies that are specific to a single antigen.
Natural killer cells?
Try again.
T cells?
No. Okay, McGill or BC Rain? No. Monoclonal is what we needed. No points. Time for our first toss-up of the match. It's in sports. First team to push its buzzer answers first. There's 4 points for a correct answer and only one answer per team. Teams, hands on your buzzers. As soon as you think you've heard enough of the question to get the right answer, buzz in. This female boxer's gold medal made history at the 2016 Summer Olympics. In 2012, she became the first American woman to win a gold medal in boxing, and her win in 2016 made her the first American male or female boxer to win consecutive gold. Give the last name of Bryant.
Foreman.
I'll continue. Last name of this middleweight gold medalist. So McGill or BC Rain? McGill.
Jones.
No. BC Rain.
Rousey.
No. Clarissa Shields. Shields is what we needed. No points on that. Topic now is literature. In Zora Neale Hurston's short story titled Mother Catherine, the woman known as Mother Catherine and other women wore veils of unbleached muslin during church services. Identify the one item men wore on their clothing during the church service.
Armband.
That's right, 4 points. BC Rain. In William Faulkner's short story titled Shingles for the Lord, when Pap arrived late to cut shingles for the church roof, the Reverend and 2 other workers were already waiting for him. One worker's name was Homer. Give me the first name of the other man who was also there to work on the roof.
James.
Try again.
Joan?
Try again.
William.
Try again.
Tony.
Nope. Teams wait for the buzzer if you'd like to answer. McGill.
Solon?
That's right, for 1 point. Bryant, your question in literature. In Henry David Thoreau's Walden selection titled The Village, tell the total number of nights Thoreau spent in jail for not paying his taxes.
2?
Try again.
12.
Try again.
1?
Yes. 2 points. 1. All right, now we're going to change the rules again and ask some questions in math. Now in math, the time limit changes to 60 seconds, and every team gets a copy of every question for possible bonus points. So, first math question goes to McGill. Everyone open your yellow math envelopes, please. The base 5 number system is one where each place in a given number represents a power of 5. Just like in the base 10 system, each place represents a power of 10. Given the base 10 number 321, what is its equivalent in the base 5 number system? Thirty seconds for McGill. Ten seconds. Bryant.
1341.
Sorry. BC Rain.
622.
No. 2241 was the answer we needed. 2241. BC Rain, here's your math question. Everyone open your red math envelopes. A department store experiencing financial problems advertises a going out of business sale with discounts of 20% off the prices marked on all items. Because the owner is dishonest, though, he raises the prices on each item before opening the sale, with the result that each item cost exactly the same as it did before the big announcement. By what percent did the owner raise the price on each item before discounting it by 20%? Thirty seconds for BC Rain.
$25%.
Correct. 4 points. Next math question goes to Bryant. Everyone open your blue math envelopes. A Little League baseball organization involves 15 teams divided into 3 equal divisions. Each team plays the teams in its own division twice and the teams in the other divisions once each. If the league pays its umpires $40 per game, how much money must the league budget for umpire salaries? Thirty seconds left for Bryant.
$2,400.
Try again.
$6,280.
Try again. BC Rain.
$1,800.
Sorry, McGill-Toolen. No answer. $5,400. $5,400. No points on that. All right. Going to leave math behind for a little while. Now we're going to pick up Shakespeare. Back to our home team. In Act 3, Scene 10 of Antony and Cleopatra, which of Antony's officers, dismayed by his flight from the sea battle, announces his decision to surrender his legions and horse to Caesar?
Comitius.
Try it. That's right. 4 points. All right, BC Rain. In Act 3, Scene 2 of Richard II, the king briefly suspects that 3 of his favorites have made peace with Bolingbroke. This prompts him to compare them to what biblical traitor?
Cain.
Try again.
Judas.
Judas is right. 3 points. Bryant, your question. In Act 3, Scene 2 of The Taming of the Shrew, Gremio says that during the wedding ceremony, Petruchio struck someone. Whom did he strike?
Hortensio.
Try again.
Catherine.
Try again.
Lucentio.
Try again.
Tranio.
Nope. Teams wait for the buzzer. BC Rain.
The priest.
The priest is right. 1 point for BC Rain. Topic now is geography. Back to McGill. Canada has a system of government in which its legislative and executive functions are combined to one governing body. Give the term for this type of government.
Constitutional monarchy.
Try again.
Parliamentary.
Right. 3 points. All right, BC Rain. The St. Lawrence Seaway is North America's most important deep water route. Because sea levels along this route vary, a series of gates is used to close off sections in which water can be raised or lowered in order for ships to pass through it. Give the term for this type of waterway section.
Locks.
That's right, 4 points. Bryant. Although Dallas is the largest city in Texas, the state's capital is a less populous city which is centrally located in Texas. Name the capital of Texas.
Austin.
Austin is right. 4 points. We are halfway through a very good competition right now. We have Bryant with 15 points, BC Rain and McGill tied at 19 points. And now we'll take a short break while the teams make any changes they wish here at halftime.
New Horizons Credit Union has been serving its members and the community since 1950. New Horizons Credit Union is a proud supporter of the arts, civic activities, local charities, and higher education, including sponsoring annual scholarship opportunities open to all high schools. Visit New Horizons online at newhcu.org to learn about upcoming supported events that help make this area a great place to live. New Horizons Credit Union, offering its members solutions for the real world.
Good luck to everybody. McGill, here's your question. Give the last name of the British physicist who discovered the neutron.
Boyle.
Try again.
Smith.
Try again. Nope. Bryant.
Thompson.
Thompson, no, sorry. BC Rain? No. Chadwick. James Chadwick. No points. BC Rain. Give the name of the first commercial plastic whose main ingredient is cellulose nitrate.
Polypropylene.
Try again.
Polyurethane.
Try again. Bryant?
Bakelite.
No. BC or McGill?
Polyethylene.
No. Celluloid. That's what we needed. No points. Bryant, give the IUPAC name of the molecule containing one atom of fluorine bonded to one atom of chlorine.
Hydrofluoric acid.
Try again.
Hydrochlorine.
No. Try again. McGill?
Fluorochloride.
No. BC Rain?
Fluorine.
Sorry, it was chlorine monofluoride is what we needed. Art history is our topic. To McGill. During the era that saw profound changes in the organization and role of the museum, this massive royal palace in Paris was converted into a museum. Give the name of this museum, which is one of the most famous art museums in the world.
The Louvre.
4 points, correct. BC Rain. During the second half of the 19th century, structural engineers and bridge builders concentrated on using less iron to construct bridges. Name the metal they increasingly used as an alloy or mixed with iron because of its lower cost and tensile strength?
Steel.
That's right, 4 points. Bryant, J. White and E. Hazard made advances in suspension bridge building and design when they bridged the Schuylkill Falls. Name the U.S. state in which this bridge is located.
California,
Try again.
Washington,
Try again.
New York,
Try again.
Oregon,
No. Teams wait for the buzzer if you'd like to answer. McGill?
New Hampshire.
No. BC Rain?
Louisiana.
Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania is what we needed. No points. All right, time to change the rules a little bit. We're going to ask some questions in team choice. Now, before the match began, each team chose the subject it wanted to be quizzed on. There's 4 points for a correct answer, but in team choice, there's only one answer per team. So teams, if I rule the original team's answer wrong, buzz in immediately, don't wait for the shot clock, and then you can get 2 points instead of just 1. So McGill, you chose American history. Again, 1 answer. In 1938, Charles Houston placed a team of his best Howard University law students under the direction of this man, who over the next 23 years would help them win 29 out of the 32 segregation cases argued before the Supreme Court. Give me the last name of this man.
Marshall.
Right, Thurgood Marshall, 4 points. BC Rain, you chose geography, again, just 1 answer. At 20,320 feet above sea level, Mount McKinley is North America's highest peak. Name the state in which Mount McKinley is located.
Washington.
Sorry, Bryant.
Alaska,
Alaska is right. Denali. 2 points. All right, Bryant, here's your question. You chose Shakespeare, just 1 answer. In Act 3, Scene 2 of The Tempest, Ariel intrudes and distracts the foolish drunkards by playing music to lead them astray on the island. Ariel plays a pipe and one other instrument that impresses Stefano. What is that instrument?
Flute.
Sorry. McGill.
The tabor.
Right, the tabor, or the drum. 2 points. Time for the second toss-up of the match. So everybody, hands on your buzzers. It's in literature. In William Faulkner's short story titled Dr. Martino, give me the first name of Louise King's mother. McGill.
Alvina King.
Right, Alvina King is right. 4 points. Topic is physics. To McGill. State the value of the period of a wave if its frequency is 100 hertz.
.01.
Yes, we'll take that, 100th of a second. Have to do a little translation. BC Rain. State the name given to a force that produces rotational motion, also known as moment of force.
Centrifugal force.
Try again.
Centripetal force.
Try again.
Torque.
Yes, 2 points. Very good. Bryant, state the name given to the characteristic emitted energy levels of every element.
Electronegativity.
Try again.
Electrical force.
Try again.
Energy level.
Nope. McGill.
Quanta.
No. BC Rain.
Charge.
No. Emission spectrum is what we're looking for. American government is our topic. Back to McGill-Toolen. Give the two-word name of the Act of 1890 that regulates monopolies and other practices that limit competition.
Sherman Antitrust Act.
That's right, 4 points. BC Rain. Give the name for this exclusive right that grants a person the sole right to manufacture, use, or sell any new and useful art, machine, manufacture, or composition of matter, or any new and useful improvement thereof. These are good for up to 20 years, can only be extended by a special act of Congress.
Patent.
That's right, 4 points. Bryant. Give the name of the position within Congress that is held by the person who is both the elected presiding officer of the House and the acknowledged leader of its majority party.
Floor leader.
Try again.
Majority whip.
Try again.
Speaker of the House.
Yes, 2 points. Speaker of the House, 2 points. All right, topic is world history. To McGill. The builders of the earliest known civilization lived in the southern part of Mesopotamia. They made lasting contributions to the world, including the earliest form of writing, as well as basic algebra and geometry. Name these people.
Sumerians.
Right, 4 points. BC Rain. The Indian subcontinent is divided into 3 distinct areas. One of these is a triangle-shaped plateau that is arid and sparsely populated. Name this plateau.
Aegean Sea.
Try again.
Bermuda Triangle.
Try again.
Palestine.
Try again.
Assyria.
Nope. McGill.
Deccan Plateau.
The Deccan. Right. Very good. 1 point. Bryant. An important duty for Hindu parents was to arrange good marriages for their children. Although marriage customs varied, in northern India, a bride's family often provided a payment to the bridegroom. Give the term for this payment.
A dowry.
That's right, 4 points. We're down to the last question in today's contest. It's a math toss-up worth 4 points. Everyone open your white math envelopes now. The Fibonacci sequence has many applications in nature. The sequence begins with a 1, and each succeeding term is the sum of the previous 2, yielding 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Find the 10th term in the Fibonacci sequence. Bryant.
55.
55 is right. Only took 8 seconds to come up with that answer. Very good. Today's final score, Bryant 27, BC Rain 29. Today's winner, McGill-Toolen, 46 points.